This short video guide will show you how to find library books, journals and articles from your module's reading list. You can access your reading list from your module Moodle page. Select the arrow tab at the top right of the screen. This will then open a column of links and resources. Each module is different, but your reading list will be linked somewhere within this column. If there is no linked reading list available in this column, please contact your module convener, as they will need to add this. Once you have found your reading list, click the link to access. Each module reading list will be arranged differently, but you can always identify the importance of your readings. Core titles are cited in weekly lectures, and the majority of your essential readings will be found here. Recommended titles are advised readings to supplement essential resources, and background titles are useful additional readings to provide context. To access a resource from your reading list, click on the title. This will open to reveal whether an ebook is available and whether there are any physical print copies available. To view the ebook, select Available Online. Here you will then have the option to read the ebook or specific chapters online. To find print copies of the book, select Copies for your preferred campus library. This will then take you to the library search page. Scroll down to find the details you'll need to find and borrow the book, including the location of the library, the loan period, the call number to find the title on the shelf, and the collection status, showing the location and whether this item is currently on loan. Going back to the reading list, you can also filter the list by format. Select the filter option at the top of the screen. You can then filter by physical print books or online resources. This filter will now display the titles which are available as print copies to borrow. If I change the filter to online resources, this will now only display the titles which are available to read online as ebooks. You can also view all reading list titles in the referencing style of your choice. Select Citation Style. For this example, I'm using Harvard. This will now display each title in the reading list in the Harvard referencing style. You can then copy and paste this reference into bibliographies and reference lists to provide evidence of your reading. When you are logged on to the reading list system, you have the option to personalize your reading lists. You can add notes by selecting the three dots next to a title and select Personal Note. Here you can annotate text on your reading list with comments or useful reminders, and these are private notes only visible to you. You can also set reading intentions. Select the dot next to each title and indicate your reading intention. You can select whether this is something you will read, something which you are reading now, or something which you have already read. You can then filter the reading list by the choices you have indicated. Scroll to the top of the screen and select Filters. You can then view, for example, all the titles which you have yet to read. For further help and guidance, please contact the library team. You can also find help guides on how to use a library via the IT and library help pages.